Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 8 to the power of x times 8 to the power of x. This is equal to 80. So what is the value of x, given that x is not equal to 0? So let's prevent a solution from here. This exponential equation is in the form of 8 to the power of n times 8 to the power of m, which we can express as 8 to the power of n plus m. Applying this property, then we have 8 to the power of x plus x. This is equal to 80. Now here we have 8 to the power of 2x. This is equal to 80. To solve for x here, we introduce logarithm on both sides so that we have log 8 to the power of 2x. This is equal to log 80. Now, log 8 to the power of 2x, this is in the form of log a to the power of n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property, then log 8 to the power of 2x becomes 2x log 8. This is equal to log 80. Let's divide both sides by log 8, here by log 8. Let's simplify here so that 2x is equal to log 80 divided by log 8. You can express 80. This is the same thing as 16 times 5. So here we have 2x. This is equal to log 16 times 5 divided by log 8. So log 16 times 5, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, then we have here 2x. This is equal to log 16 divided by log 8, then plus log 5 divided by log 8. Now we can express 16 basically as 2 to the power of 4, and we can express 8 as 2 to the power of 3. Substituting this, we have 2x. This is equal to log 2 to the power of 4 divided by log 8, which is log 2 to the power of 3, then plus log 5 divided by log 2 to the power of 3. So we have log 2 to the power of 4 and log 2 to the power of 3. This is in the form of log a to the power of n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this property, then we have 2x is equal to 4 log 2 divided by, here we have 3 log 2, then plus log 5 divided by 3 log 2. So let's simplify here log 2 and log 2, so that now 2x is equal to 4 over 3 plus 1 over 3. This is log 5 over log 2. The next step is that log 5 over log 2, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, and this can be expressed as log a to base b. Applying this property, then here we have 2x is equal to 4 over 3, then plus 1 over 3. This is log 5 to base 2. Now, the next step from here, let's divide both sides by 2, so that now Here we have x equal to, now this is 4 over 3 times half, then plus 1 over 3 times half. This is log 5 to base 2. Now, let's simplify here. 4 divided by 2, this is actually equal to 2. And here we have x equal to, now this is 2 over 3 plus, now this is 1 over 3 times 2, this is 6. Now here we have log 5 to base 2. And this is the value of x. This is the value of x. So the next step from here is to verify that this value of x satisfies the equation as follows. Now let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we have 8 to the power of x times 8 to the power of x. This is supposed to be equal to 80. This is in the form of a to the power of n times a to the power of m, which we can express as a to the power of n plus m. So applying this exponent property, then we have 8 to the power of 2x from here. This is supposed to give us a value of 80. So let's substitute x so that we have 8 to the power of 2. Into the parentheses, we have 2 over 3 plus 1 over 6. This is log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 80. So therefore from here, we can express 8. Let's express 8 as 2 to the power of 3. So that here we have 2 to the power of 3 times 2. Into the parentheses, here we have 2 over 3 plus 1 over 6. This is log 5 to base 2. Cross the parentheses. This is supposed to give us a value of 80. So if you simplify here by 3 here, so we have 2 to the power of 2 times 2. This is 4. Then plus. Now, if we simplify here, 6 divided by 3, this is 2. And then 2 divided by 2 here. This implies here we have log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 80. Now, 2 to the power of 4 plus log 5 to base 2. This is in the form of a to the power of n plus m, which we can express as a to the power of n times a to the power of m. So here we have 2 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 80. So 2 to the power of 4 here, this is equal to 16. So we have 16 multiplied by 2 to the power of log 5 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 80. So we have 2 to the power of log 5 to base 2. This is in the form of a to the power of log b to base a. This is supposed to give us a value of b. So 2 to the power of log 5 to base 2. This is equal to 5. So let's substitute 5 here, where we have 2 raised to the power of 5 to base 2. And now this is 16 multiplied by 5. This should give us a value of 80. So 16 times 5, this is equal to 80, which is equal to 80. And this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side from here. And this implies that the value of x, which is equal to 2 over 3 plus 1 over 6 log 5 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.